Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice 25 on Kali Linux 2025.3 population. Okay, first verify whether we have the LibreOffice or any office suite comes. So you don't have any office suite, comes as the default application. See, okay. Now open the default browser that comes with Kali Linux 2025.3, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, it is libreoffice.org. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 25.8. Click on download, then download LibreOffice. Then select .debian package for the Kali Linux. Then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 202 megabytes. Wait until download completes, and this is zip file. Once download completes, then we'll untap the star file and we will install LibreOffice. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. Now we have to untap this file, tar hyphen, then xf, then libre. Press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. See, extraction completed. ls. Now go to this LibreOffice folder. ls. Go to this deps folder. Now we have to install this Debian package. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Product password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify. Go to application menu, then search for Libre. See, here we have the LibreOffice application suite. Okay, so we have successfully installed LibreOffice. ls, these files are not required anymore, so go up, remove this direct and zip file, rm ls, remove this directory as well, rm-rf ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice latest version, that is 25.8 on Kali Linux 2025.3 population. But the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.